To use Binance in Texas, you will first need to create an account on the Binance website. Start by navigating to the Binance homepage and clicking on the Register button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. It is essential to use a secure password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure known as Know Your Customer, and it is required by law to prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. You will need to provide a government-issued ID and proof of address. After verifying your account, you can deposit funds into your Binance account. Binance accepts a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies. If you are depositing fiat currency, you will need to use a payment method that is accepted by Binance, such as a bank transfer or credit card. Once your funds have been deposited, you can start trading on the Binance platform. Binance offers a wide range of trading pairs, including popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can also use the Binance mobile app to trade on the go. It is essential to note that Binance is not available to all U.S. residents, and some features may be restricted. However, Binance has a separate platform called Binance US that is available to residents of Texas and other U.S. states. Binance US offers a limited range of trading pairs, but it is still a popular choice for cryptocurrency traders in the U.S. To get started with Binance US, you will need to create a separate account on the Binance US website. The process is similar to creating an account on the main Binance platform, and you will need to verify your identity and deposit funds before you can start trading. In terms of best practices, it is essential to use a secure internet connection and keep your account information confidential. You should also use two-factor authentication and enable notifications to stay informed about market movements and account activity. Additionally, it is a good idea to start with small trades and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the platform. Overall, using Binance in Texas requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading and the Binance platform. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with trading on Binance US and take advantage of the opportunities offered by the cryptocurrency market.